be understanding how to use 15-minute fair value gaps to our advantage, right? And we're going to be understanding key levels, right? What does a key level mean? How to use a key level, and how you can manage your emotions around these levels. So here we have one example, right? So we have a 15-minute fair value gap over here, and this was the key level you're looking for a sell-off, right? This is one example we're going to go over. Another example we're going to go over is the same key level, and notice how we're looking at the reaction at key levels to determine who is in control between buyers and sellers. So we're going to be focusing on this sell-off over here, which came at roughly, Thursday at whatever that be, 12:30 p.m. Eastern, and this is going to be the fair value gap. And on Friday, we're going to be looking at the final sell-off you could have taken at this key level. And so we're going to start from Friday's trade and then work backwards. But when you're looking at order flow with footprint charts, right, this is trading view, and this is what I want traders to first start with. But when you come into the markets like this, right, there's very little that any trader can do just by looking at this chart. Because on this chart, we have 3 places we want to focus on, right? We want to understand what's going on in this region. We want to understand what's going on here. And we also want to know what's going on here upon the retest, right? How can you take advantage of these areas? How can you take advantage of these trades, right? So we're going to be focusing on Friday's price action, right? This would have been the 1st of August 2025. So we're going to be focusing on these areas over here. And I want traders to understand how a key level works and how to actually trade using order flow. So when price comes into a key level, right, we're looking for price to essentially break below. So we're looking for a break and retest strategy, right? So we're looking for price to break, and then once price is broken, we're looking for some kind of a retest and to take price lower. So we're going to be focusing on the retest here, and we're going to be focusing on the retest here. But the key to the retest is to understand what was going on in the retest over here, right? So this is how we're going to be approaching the markets, right? So you want to approach every market by understanding who is in control